Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be creating a simple but cute high ponytail using this Janet Collection synthetic Noir Everytime Drawstring ponytail in the style Cherry. To start off, let's take a look at the packaging. It comes in this well secured packaging with a picture of the model wearing the ponytail at the back. As you can see, this is a straight ponytail with curved ends. Although it's synthetic, it's got a human hair feel, which I really like. Gives it a very natural look. Like, I just really like it. Like, just look at it. So this ponytail sheds a bit, which is normal for a synthetic drawstring. So I got this unit in the color PFS1B/33. This color is so gorgeous. I love it. I really love how it looks. Just look at it. The entire ponytail is actually in the color 1B with subtle highlights of the color 33. You can see the tiny strands of the color, but it's not over the top, which gives it a smart look and makes it suitable for all occasions. So I've already styled my hair into a high pony. So now I'm just going to use these rubber bands. So I'm just going to use one rubber band and wrap my hair into a bun. So let's see how it gets on and see how it looks. Another thing I'm going to mention that it has a little hump that gives it a voluminous lift, which then will create my classic high ponytail look. So comes with the drawstring, of course. Let me just pull it down to show the construction of the cap. So this is what it looks like inside, and it has a lot of hair, by the way, which I really like, so nothing is going to show. Nothing's going to show here, so I really like that. I love the construction of this ponytail. And also it has two combs, one at the top and one at the bottom here. Okay, so let's get it on. So cute, but I'm just gonna hide this gap here. Don't know if you can see it. So I'm just gonna hide this gap with some hair. So I'm gonna wrap this drawstring with some hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it around with the drawstring. So this is the drawstring, just gonna put it underneath the hair and wrap it around to cover that gap there. And I have this bobby pin here, which is just gonna secure the hair that I wrapped around. Here. And if you can see it, then I just push it in. Yeah, so I did that. It covered that gap. Wow, I love this ponytail. Wow, it's giving me like 90s vibes. I really like it. and I love the curved ends. Like, wow, so cute. And the hump at the top, love it. So this ponytail is 17 inches long. They do have another one that's called Cherry Long, which is 24 inches. But my local hair and beauty shop didn't have that. They only had this 17 inches, which is just called Cherry. And to be honest with you, I like this. Like, I really like this length. It sits well, just sits well on my shoulders like this, and I just love it. So cute. Like, it's really giving me 90s vibes with this. Wow, love it, so cute. So yeah, and I'm glad I got this color. I was gonna get the color 2 because color 2 is the best match for my real hair here, but I just thought, let me just try this color since it's really subtle and I didn't really see the highlights. So I'm glad I got this color. So cute, really like it. Let me just give you some information about this drawstring ponytail. So this drawstring ponytail is made with premium synthetic fiber with heat resistant up to 180 Celsius, which is good. So it can be curled or straightened. So if you want to bump the ends a bit more, you can curl it. Or if you just want to straighten it, want to straighten out this curl, you just want it straight like this, which also looks good. You can do that as well because this is heat resistant up to 180 Celsius. So that's really cool. And it's also described as a one size fits all unit, which makes it suitable for everyone. And to be honest with you, that is true. So if you remember when I showed you the construction of this unit, it was really long, it was wide as well, and I just feel it's good for people who have really long or really thick hair, because not all drawstring ponytails cater for those hair types because the cap is really small, whereas this, it's long, so you can stretch it and fit it well to your hair type depending if it's really long or just really thick. So yeah, that's another good thing. So this is good for all hair types. It's suitable for everyone. Another thing I just wanted to say, ponytails have always been my go-to hairstyle because it's not only neat and easy to do, but it's suitable for all occasions. Like, this is an everyday look. It's suitable for work as well as a classy and elegant look for a night out. Ponytails are the best. Like, you definitely need one, at least one in your collection. I really like it, and I believe I got this for £12.99, so it's really affordable. That's another thing about drawstring ponytails that I really like. They're really affordable. You can never go wrong with these. Has that 90s vibe with this high hump. Love the voluminous lift that it gives me. Love it. This is definitely a classic high ponytail. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. Please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get more updates on my new upcoming videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.